Kia has revealed the new Kia Sportage 2022 SUV. Developed on a new architecture, the all-new Sportage combines a driver-centric design with a state-of-the-art premium interior, featuring a swooping integrated curved display that houses the very latest advancements in connectivity tech. Speaking of size, the new Sportage is 4,660 mm long, 1,865 mm wide, and 1,660 mm tall, with the wheelbase measuring 2,755 mm. According to Kia, these proportions, along with the improved packaging brought by the new platform, give the compact crossover segment leading headroom, legroom, and cargo capacity, which reaches now 637 liters. In terms of engines, there's a turbocharged 1.6-liter gasoline unit with 177 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque. It works with either a standard 6-speed manual or a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic. Should you still prefer a diesel, Kia can deliver the revamped Sportage with a new 2-liter engine, producing 183 horsepower and 417 Nm of torque. Opting for the diesel means you won't be able to row your own gears, as this engine works exclusively with a heavily upgraded 8-speed automatic. There is also a new terrain mode encompassing Drive, Comfort, Eco, Sport, and Smart selectable modes that alter the vehicle's settings to suit the type of terrain, including mud, sand, and snow. Kia has also added a new electronic control suspension, with real-time damping control, working harmoniously with the electronically controlled all-wheel drive system, for optimal power delivery. Buyers will get to pick from a variety of alloy wheels, as small as 17 inches and as large as 19 inches, available in different designs, colors, and finishes.